Oh dear. Is it actually raining? Oh no, it's not. It's like, I don't know. It's like some weird spitting. It's spitting. Don't spit. That's terrible. Yeah. Dear. Oh, so much gravel though. That's the only bad thing, you know. Right. Can you believe this, right? So, Boo Rider, my father, so Boo Rider 61, by the way, right, he has the BMW S1000 RR 2021 plate, M Sport, right, with like 4.5 grand worth of fucking carbon on it. Crazy. Anyway, he's looking at getting a second bike, yeah? So his second bike choices, I believe, at the moment, is the new M1000R, or the Tuono, or the ZH2. Now, I live around 47 miles away from my father. Papa! So, my proposition, right, will be, do you think he would let me have it for like 2 days? Not his BMW, but the second bike that he gets for 2 days over the summer, so I can do videos on it. Which would mean I'll take it from his house on like a Saturday morning, ride back to my house, keep it for the full night in the garage, and then return it on the Sunday afternoon. I'm not asking for a lot, and what I'd do, I'd leave the MT10 at his, and then he can clean it and wash it and like detail it for me. I think that's a fair deal, to be fair. He gets absolutely nothing out of it apart from 2 filthy bikes. I think that's a fair fucking deal, if you ask me. We just need to somehow persuade him. That means I can go to all to my local biker cafes, and when they're like, oh my god, MTtank, where's your MT gone? I'm like, ha, mate, I've got 2 bikes now. Got this bad boy and the MT. I'm just saying it can make some good footage. That's all I'm saying. And although he has the BMW, I think like I could get it over, you know, and get some chicken strips off for him. And it's, in theory, it's a win-win then, because if I'm getting my knee down on the Beamer, then he can claim that the chicken strips that have been put onto his tyres are from his riding style, instead of having donuts left on each side. That's all I'm saying. It's a win-win, man. Probably watch this video, ring me later and tell me to fuck off. But if you don't ask, you don't get, and I live by that motto. I don't know why I'm so energetic for it. It just doesn't add up. Oh, come on, mate, you fucking little jack. Oh, yes, so what car do you have at home, Charles? I have a Jaguar. That's a 2020 reg. 2020. It's not quite that new, it's 2020. It'd be futuristic if it was 320s, wouldn't it? I'm a quiet guy and I'm anti-social. Born and raised by the world-known skipper. Are you letting him out? Oh, I'm letting her out. Oh, look. We could be like 125 buddies. I had to wipe the old camera there. I saw 125 coming out. I thought we were going to have. Thought I was going to make a new friend. Obviously not. That's the only bad thing, right, when I'm talking, is I use 2 hands to vocalise what I'm talking about, and then when I come back on my throttle, as it's so wet, I have to like slowly ease it on. Sorry, okay? I'm sorry! He nodded at me, alright? It's the only excuse I need. Social. When I edit a video and render it, although it might be like 7 or 8 minutes, should we see if we can get this guy to wave? Or is he going to be too busy driving off? No, he's going to be driving off. But look at him! Oh, it's not a CBF or whatever I thought it was. It's like a Sinis thingy. Come on, let's make him look. Oh, hi! He doesn't want to wave at me. This new laptop, what I was trying to say is this new laptop is going to be twice as powerful, if not more. So a 7-minute video normally takes like 44 minutes to render, because I render now in 4K. And the reason now I do 4K is because if you render it in 2.7K, you don't get the new codec from YouTube. You only get the 1080p codec, the old one. So if you do 4K and upload it to 2.7K, you get the brand new codec, so it's better quality. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?